Hello again, this is Sonia from the Career Center. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write action statements. All you'll need is an informal list of what you've done for each position to be ready for this next step. So let's get started. Action statements show the reader what type of work you've done within each position. They are formatted as bullet points and clearly describe your responsibilities, skills, and achievements. Begin your action statements with an action verb to add more impact. Continue your action statement to explain your experience. Something to help you develop your sentence is to think about what you did, how you did it, along with a result or outcome. We'll talk more about this in the next few slides. You may use details and concrete information such as numbers and percentages when possible, and stay away from vague language. Writing action statements takes time. If needed, watch our other video on how to get started by creating an experience brainstorm list. Now is the time to just look at your informal list of roles and responsibilities and develop it into refined sentences. Ask yourself some questions that start with who, what, why, where, when, and how when reviewing and recollecting what you've done. This will give you more information to write about and can provide the reader with more details of your experience. Here are some common questions to help you develop your action statements. These can also be found in our resume guide provided in CareerLink. You don't have to answer these all right now as it could be overwhelming. I just want to show you that once you ask these questions, you'll have a lot more to work with for your action statements. Now for practice, let's take a simple statement and turn it into an action statement. For example, you may have phrases help children with homework and told parents about students' progress during your role as a tutor. This would be considered a simple statement. To turn this simple statement into an action statement, ask yourself some questions about what you did and how you did it, and what was the result of your action. Questions such as, how did I help children? What strategies did I implement while helping children? How many children did I help? And so on. Now that you've answered these questions, you have more information to incorporate into your action statements. See the difference? On the left, you have your simple statements. On the right, you have your action statements. Bullet 1, mentored 10 third grade students during the after-school tutoring program in math and science subjects. Bullet 2, encouraged students by creating fun math games that coincided with their math homework. Bullet 3, supported students by listening to their questions and concerns and followed up with parents and lead teachers for cross-collaboration. The action statements describe more accurately to the reader your roles, responsibilities, and skills and highlights them in a more effective manner. Another key concept to review is using action verbs to start your sentences. As you can see in this example, many action verbs are utilized and are a great strategy to implement. There are hundreds of action verbs to choose from. Consider using the resume guide and CareerLink to assist you. Here are a few examples to show you there are many to choose from and can help you get started. Now let's review how to develop and write action statements. Think about what you've done for each experience. Ask yourself some questions to gain more details. Think about the result of your actions. Then you could put it all together in a sentence that starts with an action verb. And remember to use bullet point formatting. Good luck with writing action statements. They take time and lots of practice, but once you understand how to do it, it will become easier. Don't forget to ask for help, whether it's from a professor, the Career Center, or a friend. Please contact us or check out CareerLink for any assistance.